Before the pandemic hit, classrooms were so full of life. Many schools have gone virtual. As you can see, people were sitting so close to each other. No mask, no worries, no anything. Gosh, don't you miss these days? Big Mac Sam used to have a packed classroom all the time. Why? Well, because so many wanted to get their driver's license, and on top of that, the Green Light Law came into effect. The Green Light Law allows all New Yorkers aged 16 and older to apply for a standard, not for federal purpose non-commercial driver license or learner permit regardless of their citizenship or lawful status in the United States. That was then. This is now.
So, my class is empty. As you can see, class is empty. It's all virtual now. You got my computer bag, my monitor bag. This is all my equipment, guys. This is my monitor there for a second screen, my laptop. I don't use this anymore. I mean, I wrote that right there where it says observation, communication, speed management, and space management, which is the fundamentals are the fundamentals of driving. But they can only see up to there. So what I have here is my graphics tablet. I use that as my whiteboard. There's my pen here. This acts like a mouse. So you write there, it shows up on the whiteboard. Actually, they're on lunch right now, so this is what I wrote on the whiteboard. Lunchtime, 12 to 12:30. So there you go, guys. This is how I do it virtually instead of the class. I don't do the class anymore, so I mean physically anymore. Like one of the videos I posted, it was a full class. So this is how I do it, guys, and that was very quick video on doing the classes virtually. Take it easy, guys. Later.